Hello everyone. Yesterday I started creating a chat application in which you can chat and also you can send images, messages, and you can see whether the user is online or not. So let us see how this application works. So this is I already run the emulator. This is the emulator and this is my phone. I casted this my phone on this window. So uh, you can see here you have to log in first. If you don't have any account, if you don't have account, you have to create a account first. So you can click create account and you can enter your name. Let us let's say Ankit at the rate gmail.com. Here create a password 123456 12345 and sign in. Oh, first of all we have to upload an image, but we don't have any image. So okay, if you have any if you upload the image, the account will be created. Okay, so I already have created an account. Mm, so I'm going to log in. I'm logged in. Okay, so here you can see Abhishek Pandey is my name and in the name in the account, and here is a profile picture. And now login with the another phone. uh, let's see how to create account. Okay, my name is Abhishek Pandey, but here I'm for here I'm writing Ankit. Okay, and Ankit at the rate gmail.com. This is a demo Gmail, you can say, and create a password 123456. You can see the password by clicking the I button. And now you upload an image. Okay, click on the sign up button. Account created. Okay, so let's see if the account created it works or not. If the account is created or not. Ankit, Ankit at the rate gmail.com 123456. Okay, it's all right. Okay, yeah. You can see here Ankit is showing at the top, and also the image was I uploaded previously. Okay, so let's get started. I have to message Ankit. You can see here Ankit is online because I am also online, and this is Abhishek Pandey. Okay, let's say let's chat here. Hi Ankit. Yeah. You can see here. You can see I got a message. Hi, and now I'm sending the message. Hi. You can see here clearly. Okay, it works. So let's say send a image. Okay, send the image of Hrithik Roshan. Click on the send button. Okay, so you can clearly see here. I sent a Hrithik Roshan image, and you can see it appears here also. Okay, and now you can click on the. It's working. Okay, all right. Everything is okay. And here is some problem with UI. This is not a big deal. You can do it within a minute, because if I can make this application in just one day. I started yesterday. So if you can make this type of application in just one day, you can do this UI like in just a minute. Okay, so from here you can log out. Okay, it's all right. Everything is working. And also you can log out from here. Okay, okay guys, and also you can see the uh, you can see here Uh, this is the activities section. Like this. This is the activity section. Forgot your password. Everything is here. Yes, uh, you can also by clicking forgot password, you can see here. Enter your email and send this button. The Firebase send you a link in your email Gmail account, and from there you can reset your password. Okay. So see, this is the chat activity section. You can in which you can send messages and get messages. And this is the forgot password. Oh, I didn't create anything. Okay, not a big deal. And also here it is a image preview where you can see which images you are going to send. And this is the main activity where you can create something like anything. But I didn't create anything because it's it's just for demo purpose. You can see nothing here, but just a rounded image where you can see your profile picture, and here is home button, uh, chat section, not a chat section, user section. You can find users from here, and this is the get started, and also logout button, setting button, sign in activity. This is sign up activity, users activity, and I created two adapter, chat adapter. And you can see I created packages, and inside the packages like activities, all the activities lies inside the activity package, all the adapter lies inside the adapter package model, user model or the message model lies inside the message. And here is the all the activity, and I created some animation also by on the button image click, or this is the driver section. And let's see how the fire with the let's see the Firebase, how the data got stored in Firebase. This is a real-time database. And first of all, see the authentication. Here you can just I created the ankit@gmail.com up, and this is all the account created previously. And here is the real-time database, uh, in which you can find chats like you can see I just sent attachment, and this is I think the Ritik Roshan. Yes, yes. Just I sent attachment, and also I sent a hi message. You can see. Not showing. Where is it? Mm. Okay, no, not a big deal. Here is the I button, and also this is whole database, and here is users account in which here is users information, email, image URI. It is a email image password, image profile picture. Sorry, profile image. Here is profile image. Okay, and also I use the cloud storage also, where I can store all the I can store all the like here is the mm, images. You can see Ritik Roshan image. No, it's not. It is not like. Yeah, here is Ritik Roshan image. Just I sent to Ankit. Okay, guys, this is all. Okay, thank you for having me. Thank you, guys.